Good day, my friends. Welcome to Tom's Tinkering and Adventures.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Good day, my friends.
No, it's hello. It's hello. It's hello, my friends.
Hello, my friends, Dad. You have to say hello.
It's okay. So we're in the Susie's Tinkering and Adventures mobile global domination headquarters vehicle. Yeah.
Susie's Crafting.
We're en route here to Denver.
To Denver. We're going to Denver.
Going to Denver. We're going to
the big game.
You got the sunlight here. Going to the big game, the home opener for the
season opener. The Colorado Avalanche are playing the Minnesota
Wild.
And major rivalry between the two states.
Well,
and that's actually part of our heritage.
I'm originally from we're originally from Minnesota, and now my sister's in Colorado, so she's a Colorado fan. And I've never been to a professional. Never been to a professional hockey game.
He's a hockey virgin today.
Hockey. Well, I mean professional hockey.
He's a professional hockey.
So I got my brother-in-law who he's up front up here.
Turn it around.
You can just see the back of his head.
Wave.
There, there you go. So he donated me this jersey to wear here. Who is this guy's name? Landeskog.
Corn goodness. He's from Sweden.
He's from Sweden. Number 92. So I'll be wearing that. I'll be wearing that jersey tonight at my Virgin professional hockey game. And well, that's what you said, right?
Yeah, you're a hockey virgin.
Yeah, there you go. So, and my sister's going to be receiving a little bit of honor at the game here, so I'll cover that. But we'll wait till that comes on. Yeah, we'll talk about that later. What you doing?
Just checking it out, making sure it's legit.
You can't do that. It's illegal.
I just did it.
It's on video now, so.
You can find me.
But anyway, yeah, you can come and get me. Come and get me, coppers. Come and get me, coppers.
How are the cigars, Jerry?
So yeah, we're out here in the.
What?
Oh, there you get a little headache. We got traffic ahead. And these Rocky Mountains aren't nearly as rocky as I thought they would be, but that's okay.
That
John Denver, he's fucking full of shit.
Oh, Jesus. This is a PG-13 channel here, but it's okay. So a pre-game ritual here is they always go to the same Taco Bell every time before the hockey game. So we had to stop here at Taco Bell, even though I just ate a giant apple fritter. Now I'm going to eat some Taco Bell as well. But if it's a pre-game ritual, you got to do it. And I'm sure those of you who are watching, if you go to sporting events or anything like that, you may have a ritual that you do every time. So for my family, one of the rituals that we have is when we go out to the desert to go dirt bike riding, every time we see the sign that says "Welcome to the Desert," we used to play the Top Gun soundtrack. I don't know why, just the first time we went, we did it, and so we always did it. So I kind of dig rituals like this. So there was a little bit of complaining from a couple of the family members about going to Taco Bell, but they're sticking with the ritual, so that's cool. There's another one of those giant foosball stadium things. I think some team plays there, like the Donkeys or something plays there. Ooh, we're driving crazy here. This Denver traffic is out of control.
We're here.
We're getting close. There's some
bump right here.
Some hockey stadium. We're gonna go over the edge. Oh yeah.
It's over there.
We can't see it. Here we go.
Look.
What is this thing called? Do you have Coke? No. Will Pepsi Center do?
Look at Matt.
That's right. Pepsi Center.
He gained weight. He used to be skinny as fuck too.
We're at the Pepsi Center here, where the Colorado Avalanche is playing. I got my jersey on, so I feel like I'm a real hockey fan.
Here, all three, just stand there.
We're gonna get pictures. These hockey fans take it pretty seriously here. It's crazy.
Parise's here.
Who?
Parise, number 11, Minnesota.
Oh.
That's Parise. He's a good player.
Oh, I don't know anything about any hockey players, but we're gonna go Avs for now. Pretty nice place. My first NHL game, so this will be cool.
Hockey virgin.
Wow, NHL. All right, so my sister here. I know it's kind of loud. But my sister is getting honored at the game here as a hometown hero. And she doesn't like all these Minnesota Wild fans, I guess. Got the Zamboni going.
I get to ride the Zamboni.
You what?
I get to ride the Zamboni. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
I think she's a little bit excited.
Look.
Look, the Zamboni.
I get to be out there.
Someone else is riding it right now.
I know. I get it next time.
You get it. She gets to ride it next time. So yeah, my sister was a Navy veteran. She joined in 1980 or 81. When did you join? 81.
Back in the olden days.
Back in the olden days. So
Yeah.
I know it's loud in here, so hopefully you can hear it. But I'll get some footage. She gets to go out on the ice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So pretty cool. We got these awesome seats right here,
Yeah.
and I'm gonna be sharing them. Obviously, I want to sit here for like one period. Ah! So we'll see you back. Yeah, maybe I could get into this hockey thing. Those girls out there look pretty nice. So we're down here right on the floor, I guess. This is pretty cool. Underneath all the seats. Nice. This is the ice right out here. So my sister gets to go out here and ride the Zamboni on the ice. And I get to go check it out here. Yeah, we're underneath the blimp here. Oh. Another one coming, another blimp coming.
To nominate the next Team Zipper Zero of the game is the Colorado Avalanche uniform, Carl Soderberg.
Avs win! Avs win! Avs win! It's a long drive. It's a long drive from Denver to get back here, but we're back at the house.
Back in the kitchen.
Back in the kitchen. We're not gonna eat. It's almost midnight. We're all tired, but how cool, man! I get to be out here for my sister.
fun.
She
We
had a
like
good
having
time. It was awesome.
good. We
Yeah,
love 'em.
I loved it.
I love having
Thank you.
You have to come again.
I'm glad that I was able to make it. So, thank you very much for watching. Get out there and find your adventure.
Get out there.
Adios.